Welcome back everyone. So today in this video, I will be sharing best command prompt CMD command that every Windows user must know and you can make your computer level experience to the next level. So let's open up the command prompt. So I will click on my Windows search, type CMD, right click on the command prompt, then choose run as an admin, click on yes, the black window will be up. With this command you can find all the information related to your Ethernet, your Wi-Fi and other kind of network adapter information. So it will display your IP address, the MAC address, the DHCP status, whether it's been enabled or not, and the many kind of other information that can be really useful for you to do any kind of network troubleshooting. Okay, so now let's see some kind of cool CMD command. So if I type help space color and hit the enter key, now this will be displaying the information that what kind of color I can change using the color code. So if I type color 5 and hit the enter key, so you can see the color has been now changed and it's been turned into purple. And now if you want to switch to the green color, of course most of the people want that, and for that it's a, so I have to type here color A, and now you can see everything has been changed to the green color. Similarly, if you want to turn into light yellow, light purple, then you have to use this letter, and for this one you have to use the number. Okay, now the next one we have net state space dash n, and if I type this command, this will be displaying all kind of network connection information, like what kind of website and what kind of connectivity my computer is doing, how many website has been connected with what kind of IP address, what is the status, they are listening, they are active, or they are being closed. So this can be really useful for the people who want to know the live status of the website connected to on their computer. The next we have the WinVer, so if I type WINVER and hit the enter key, so this will be quickly popping up with a page here that says Windows 11. Now this will be displaying that what exactly version you are using, like 2 to H2. What is the build number, and many time you will need such kind of information in order to do any kind of update, in order to download any kind of application or feature for a specific Windows 11 operating system. Then we have something related to the troubleshooting, so if you type check disk and hit the enter key, so now this will be run in the check disk and it will be checking for any kind of problem with your disk connected on your computer. So this can be really useful if you have any kind of problem with the hard drive or any kind of booting problem on your computer. Okay, now the next one is system info. So if you type this command and hit the enter key, now this will be loading up all the information about your system devices, and once you hit the enter key, after loading up it will show you that what kind of operating system you have, operating system version, the build type, the registered owner, the product ID. So if you want to know the product ID, the activation ID of your Windows, then you can know it, you can know the original installed date, system boot time, what kind of RAM you have installed on your computer. Everything information will be displayed over here, and even you can find the network card information and hyperway requirement. And then we have the similar command that is very useful for troubleshooting many kind of network problem, and that is ipconfig /flush DNS. So this will be clearing all your DNS cache, and if you have any kind of internet problem where your Wi-Fi is not working or you have any kind of network connectivity problem, then run this simple command, hit the enter key, this will be clearing all your DNS resolver cache. Okay, now let's move with the next one that we have with WMIC space product space get space name. If you type this command and hit the enter key, so this will display all the information about the product installed on your computer. Now the next one is POWERCFG space for /energy. If you type this command and hit the enter key, Now this will be tracing and observing the system behavior, and this command will take some time and it will let you know about the power plan and the power information. The battery health, every detail about this computer. After running this command you will have to wait for some time, and once it will be completed, I will show you that how exactly and what kind of information it displayed. And once the command is completed, you can see it says energy efficiency problem where found 5 error 5 warning 21 information. So in order to find the exact problem it give you this kind of location that you can go to see Windows System 32. So let's bring it up. So we will go to the System 32, or I can show you from the beginning. If I go to C drive, then go to Windows. Then if I look for System 32, and in System 32 it says by the name Energy-Report, so I can look for energy and I will scroll down until I get it, or you can also search it by clicking on the System 32 search, type energy, and then it will display energy-report.html. So if I make a double click on it and open it with any of the browser, so you will find this will give you the error information that what error has been related to what device is. So it says USB suspended USB device not entering selective suspend. So by reading these all information you can do any kind of trouble shooting. You can just manage the power settings and whatever problem you get all right. Okay, and now next command is very useful for the people who want to hide their folder from their file explorer, from their document, or from any of the location. For that what you will have to do, use command from here, bring up your file explorer and then locate to the location where you have the folder that you want to hide. So let's say if I have a folder in the music folder and here I have a file by the name new and I want to hide it. So here on the top at this box, click on it, then type cmd, hit the enter key. Now where you have to type a simple command that will be adtrib space plus h space plus s space plus r and then give a space, and now type the name of the folder that you want to hide. So let's say I want to hide this one, so I'll type new, and now if I hit the enter key, then if I go back to my this folder and refresh it, so you will find that the folder has been disappeared. So this is how, without using any kind of third-party tool, you can hide any kind of folder from your document. Alright, now if you want to bring it back, then what you will have to do, type attrib space. Now instead of plus you have to add minus sign. So I'll type minus h space minus s space minus r and then type the name of the folder that you want to bring back. Now if I hit the enter key and if I go back, now you can see the folder is back. So this is a very useful command, and once you are familiar with this command you can easily operate it and hide and unhide any kind of folder. Now the next command is del space /q/f/s is pays %10% back for /star. Now this command will be clearing all kind of temporary file and junk from your computer. So type this command, hit the end key, and this will be clearing all the file related to the temp that are not required, that is creating a problem or your computer and occupying a lot of storage. So this can be really useful for the people who want to improve the performance or do any kind of troubleshooting. Now here the first command is related to the factory reset. So I have seen many people, they do not get the option of resetting this PC, even they are on their desktop or even they are accessing the computer in the startup option. They don't find the reset this PC option. So what they can do, they can bring up the command prompt and type this simple command that is system reset space -- factory reset. And once you hit the end of key, you will find that this kind of page will be coming up. Choose an option. Keep my file, remove everything. So you directly get this option to reset your PC, and even you don't have to manually go to the settings and come back to this option. So this command can be really useful for you to quickly reset your PC, or even when you're not getting this option, other kind of purposes like troubleshooting and optimization. So that's all guys for today. Hopefully you will enjoy this video and find this command useful. And if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.